Dear students, in today's class, we are going to see the last topic in lesson number 13, hydrocarbon, which is directive influence of a functional group in the monosubstituted benzene. So we consider benzene. Benzene is the simplest aromatic hydrocarbon, molecular formula C6H6. The hydrogen atom in the benzene can be replaced by any other atom or a group of atoms. So any functional group can replace hydrogen in the benzene ring. So out of 6 hydrogen atoms, 1 hydrogen is replaced by a functional group. It may be a single atom like a halogen, or it may be a group of atoms like alcoholic group, aldehyde group, carboxylic acid and so on. So this is monosubstituted benzene. Now in the monosubstituted benzene, electrophilic substitution is again possible. Right? This monosubstituted benzene will involve an electrophilic substitution reaction. So now in this chapter we are going to study how the functional group is directing the incoming electrophile. Monosubstituted benzene will involve an electrophilic substitution. When the electrophile is involving in substitution, this functional group is directing the incoming electrophile to occupy a particular position. So first point, how this is directing the incoming electrophile in the substitution reaction. Second thing, how this is affecting the reaction rate, because the reaction is an electrophilic substitution reaction. So directive influence of a function group in a monosubstituted benzene represents how this function group in a monosubstituted benzene is directing the incoming electrophile to occupy a position in the benzene ring. Second thing is how it is affecting the rate of electrophilic substitution reaction. Two things we are going to study. To study the electrophilic substitution in monosubstituted benzene, first we have to know ortho, meta and para positions. So we already studied which position is an ortho as well as meta and para position. So consider a benzene ring, there are 6 carbon atoms. Now the functional group is attached to the carbon. It is a head carbon. So we start number 1 from this carbon. So in benzene there are 6 carbon atoms. Functional group is bonded with a carbon. It is a head carbon. So we start number from this head carbon. There are 6 carbon atoms totally. 2 and 6 positions are called ortho positions. So when you take di-substituted products, this is a monosubstituted product. Due to electrophilic substitution, we will get a di-substituted product. In di-substituted product, if the electrophile is present in 2nd position or 6th position, or both 2nd and 6th position, it is ortho di-substituted product. Then 3 and 5 are meta positions. 1 and 4 are para positions. So directive influence of a functional group in a monosubstituted benzene. Discuss which position is attacked by an electrophile in electrophilic substitution reaction. Second thing is, what about reaction rate? So take monosubstituted benzene. So X is a general symbol. It may be any one functional group. This will direct the incoming electrophile. So there are 5 hydrogen atoms. which can be easily replaced by an electrophile. So this is an electrophilic substitution reaction. There are two possibilities. One is due to electrophilic substitution on monosubstituted benzene, we will get disubstituted products. This is ortho as well as this is para. So these two are isomers. This is ortho isomer and this is para isomer. So we get ortho disubstituted product and para disubstituted product. This is one possibility. Another possibility, meta disubstituted product can be obtained. So in this electrophilic substitution reaction, the functional group, which is considered as a primary one, okay, this is primary substituent or a functional group. This is directing the incoming electrophile to occupy ortho para position, or else it can direct the incoming electrophile to occupy meta position. So we will get a disubstituted product. This is the directive influence of a functional group in a monosubstituted benzene. Activating groups. So some of the functional groups which are called activating groups. If activating groups present in the benzene ring, if the functional group is an activating group, it will increase the reactivity of the benzene. Okay, what is the meaning of activating group? The primary substituent in a benzene ring or the functional group present in a monosubstituted benzene will increase the reactivity of benzene ring, or we can say electron density will be increased in the benzene ring. So these functional groups are called activating groups. And all the activating groups are ortho-para directing groups or ortho-para directors. So consider monosubstituted benzenes. The primary substituent or functional group may be an activating group. It will increase the reactivity of the benzene, or it will increase the electron density in the benzene ring. Usually all the activating groups are ortho-para directing groups or ortho-para directors. One exception is there that we will discuss later. So consider a monosubstituted benzene. This is phenol. Hydrogen in the benzene ring is replaced by the functional group alcohol. So this is an aromatic alcohol, phenol, and this functional group or primary substituent is an activating group. It will increase the reactivity of the benzene ring, or we can say the electron density will be increased in the benzene ring. So this is an ortho-para directing group. That means what? The functional group will direct the incoming electrophile to occupy ortho and para positions. Okay. All the activating groups are ortho and para directors. And we can explain how the alcoholic group is directing the incoming electrophile to occupy ortho and para positions. And we know that lone pair of electrons present on oxygen. Already the pi electrons in the benzene ring are in delocalization. There is a delocalization of pi electron in the benzene ring. And the lone pair of electrons in oxygen can also involve in delocalization. So this will come into the ring. The lone pair of electrons in oxygen will also involve in delocalization. So we can draw many structures. Due to the delocalization of electrons, more than one structures can be drawn. They are called the resonance structures or canonical structures. There are 3 pi bonds in the benzene ring. The lone pair of electron is involving in delocalization. So this is coming into the ring. So we get a double bond here. The pair of electron is involving in delocalization in the benzene ring. So it gets a positive charge. Out of 2 lone pair of electrons, 1 pair of electron is involving in delocalization. So oxygen gets a positive charge. Now consider this head carbon. It should have only 4 carbon atoms. Due to the formation of double bond, the head carbon has totally 5 covalent bond, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Around the carbon there should be only 4 covalent bonds. So this pi electron is moving here. So there is a negative charge on position number 6. It is called what? Ortho position. Okay. So around the head carbon there should be only 4 covalent bonds. So the pi electron is shifted over this 6th position. This is an ortho position. Okay. So here we have a negative charge. And these electrons are not localized. They are always in delocalization. So again this will come into the ring. This will be shifted. When this is forming a double bond here, around this carbon 5 covalent bonds should not be there. Okay. So here already 4 covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3 and one more bond with hydrogen. If this pi electron is making a double bond here, this carbon will have 5 covalent bonds, so that this pi electron is shifted. So we have a negative charge on position number 4. So 4th position is called what? Para position. And this will also involve in delocalization. This is moving into the ring and this will be shifted over here. When a pi bond is formed here, for this carbon 5 covalent bonds will be there. It should not be present. So already 4 covalent bonds present. If this pi electron is making a double bond here, this carbon will get 5 covalent bond. It will be destabilized so that this pi electron is moving here. So we have a negative charge in position number 2. 2 is the ortho position. So this will come into the ring and the pi electron is again shifted over oxygen. So we will get phenol again. So these are all the resonance structures or canonical structures of a phenol. Okay, so we are discussing about directive influence of a functional group in a monosubstituted benzene. You take a monosubstituted benzene, we have a functional group alcohol. The hydrogen is replaced by an alcoholic group. So this is an example of monosubstituted benzene. What is the duty of this functional group? It will affect reaction rate of electrophilic substitution process, and it will direct the incoming electrophile to occupy ortho and para position. So this functional group is an activating group, so it is an ortho para director. This OH is directing the incoming electrophile to occupy ortho and para position. So we have written delocalization of electrons. These are all the canonical structures of a phenol. Lone pair of electrons on oxygen is involving in delocalization with the pi electrons present in the benzene ring. So we get a double bond here. Due to the shifting of lone pair of electrons from oxygen into the ring, oxygen gets a positive charge. Now the head carbon has 5 covalent bond. So to stabilize, the pi electron is shifted over this 6th carbon. Okay. So we have a negative charge on 6th carbon. 6th carbon is nothing but ortho. The position is ortho position. And this will not be a localized one. It will also involve in delocalization. So this is coming again into the ring. When this is coming, a double bond will be formed. If a double bond is formed here, around this carbon only 4 covalent bonds should be there. So if this electron is making a pi bond or a double bond, this carbon will get 5 covalent bond. To stabilize, this pi electron is shifted over the 4th carbon. So ortho position has a negative charge. And this will involve in delocalization. So the electron comes into the ring. This carbon already has 4 covalent bond. When this is making a pi bond or a double bond, it will get 5 covalent bonds. So to stabilize, this pi electron is shifted over the 2nd carbon. So 2nd carbon has a negative charge. It is an ortho position. And this will involve in the delocalization. This comes into the ring. Here a double bond will be formed. Here double bond formed means head carbon should have only 4 covalent bond. So the pi electron is again shifted over the oxygen. So due to the delocalization of pi electrons, we write more than one structure. These are all resonance structures or canonical structures. So what we infer from this, due to the delocalization of pi electrons, we get more electron density at ortho and para positions. Position number 2, 4 as well as 6. 2, 4, 6. In all the 3 positions, electron density will be more. So what about electrophile? It is electron loving species. It may be a positively charged ion or it may be a neutral molecule, electron deficient neutral molecule. So this is an electron loving species. Always this will attack electron rich center. So when you take activating groups, or we can say ortho para directors, this will make more electron density in ortho and para positions. This alcoholic group is making more electron density at ortho positions 2 and 6 as well as 4th position. At ortho and para positions, electron density will be increased due to this activating group. So it is called ortho para director or ortho para directing group. So we can get di substituted product. In phenol, the di substituted product will be ortho as well as para. Meta product will not be obtained because this is an ortho para directing group. What are the examples of activating groups or ortho para directing groups? Alcoholic group, amino group, secondary amine, amide, alkoxy group, and the alkyl group. So these are all activating group or ortho para directing group. And I already told an exception is there. All activating groups are ortho para directing groups, but only one exception is there. It is aryl halides. This is chlorobenzene, an example of aryl halide. Now, this is a deactivating group. This is not an activating group. It will not increase the electron density in the benzene ring. This is a deactivating group. At the same time, this is an orthopara director. Okay, this is an exception case. All activating groups are orthopara directors. Only one exception, halogen. So aryl halides, in which it is a deactivating group, but it is acting as an orthopara director. So we can draw canonical structures. So there are 3 lone pair of electrons on chlorine. So in lesson number 12, basic concepts of organic reactions, we have studied about minus I effect, minus inductive effect. So this is due to the shifting of sigma electrons towards more electronegative atom. You take this molecule, comparing the carbon, chlorine has more electronegativity. There is a covalent bond between carbon of benzene ring and chlorine. So comparing the carbon, chlorine has more electronegativity. So the bonded pair of electrons are moving towards the chlorine. It is called a minus I effect. So as we discussed, electron withdrawing groups will make minus I effect. So all these sigma electrons, the electrons of sigma bond are moving towards the chlorine. So chlorine gets a slightly negative charge and the carbon atoms get slightly positive charge. So how can we say chlorine is a deactivating group? It decreases electron density in the benzene ring because of minus inductive effect. The sigma electrons are moving towards the chlorine. So chlorine gets a slightly negative charge, carbon gets a slightly positive charge. It is not a complete transfer of electron, not Cl minus, C plus. So partial negative and positive charges have created due to minus inductive effect. So electron density in the benzene ring is reduced by this atom. It is a ring deactivating group. So as we discussed, the lone pair of electrons present on an atom will involve in delocalization. So this pi electron will come into the ring. So the double bond is formed between the head carbon and the chlorine. Out of 3 lone pair of electron, 1 lone pair of electron is involved in delocalization. So a double bond is formed. If double bond is formed here, this pi electron will be shifted. So this pi electron will be shifted. So 5 covalent bond should not be present here. So pi electron will be shifted. So position number 6 will have a negative charge. And this will involve in the delocalization. This will come into the ring. And this pi electron will be shifted over 4th carbon. So we have a negative charge in position number 4 and this will involve in delocalization and this pi electron will be shifted over here. So we have a negative charge in position number 2. This will involve in delocalization. So this comes into the ring now. So again, this pi electron is moving towards the chlorine. So the same type of electron displacements as we discussed in phenol. So these are all the canonical structures of chlorobenzene. Okay. So this is an electron withdrawing group. Sigma electrons are moving towards the chlorine. It gets a slightly negative charge. All the 6 carbon atoms gets a slightly positive charge. Electron density is reduced in the benzene ring. So this is a ring deactivating group. Usually it should be a meta director, but it is acting as ortho para director. So it is an exception case. Lone pair of electrons on chlorine is involving in delocalization. So one pair of electron comes into the ring for delocalization. So we get a double bond. So around this carbon only 4 bonds should be there. So the pi electron is shifted over 6th carbon, and the pi electrons are involving in delocalization. So we get more electron density at 2nd position, 4th position and 6th position. So it is a ring deactivating group. At the same time it is an ortho para directing group. Okay. So with this we complete ortho para directing groups as well as activating groups. Next one, ring deactivating groups. So deactivating groups will reduce the reactivity of a benzene, or we can say electron density will be reduced in the benzene ring. Usually all deactivating groups will be the meta directors. Okay. So deactivating group will be the meta directors. That means at meta position electron density will be more. So you take monosubstituted benzene. In benzene, hydrogen is replaced by an aldehyde group. So this is an example of monosubstituted benzene. This is directing the incoming electrophile to occupy meta position. This is decreasing the electron density in the benzene ring. So this is an example of deactivating group. All the deactivating groups are meta directors. That means the aldehyde group increases electron density at meta positions 3 and 5. So that incoming electrophile will occupy 3 and 5 positions. So it is a deactivating group and it is a meta director. We can write the canonical structures. So in the canonical structures we can find electron density will be more at 3rd as well as 5th positions. And this is an aldehyde group. In aldehyde group, comparing the carbon, oxygen has more electronegativity. So this electron will be shifted over here. So left to right, electronegativity increases. Comparing the carbon, oxygen has more electronegativity. So the pi electron is shifted over the oxygen. So when pi electron is shifted over the oxygen, the carbon becomes positive. Pi electron is moved into oxygen, carbon gets positive charge. To balance that, this pi electron is shifting here. So when this pi electron is shifting here a double bond will be formed. Here there will be a positive charge. Okay. So in aldehyde group, oxygen has more electronegativity. So pi electrons are moving towards oxygen. So it gets a negative charge. Carbon gets positive charge. To balance that, the pi electron is shifted towards carbon. So double bond is formed. Here positive charge. So around this carbon only 3 covalent bonds present. 1, 2 and the 3rd covalent bond is with the hydrogen. So positive charge is at the position number 6. And to balance this positive charge, this pi electron can be shifted over here. So when pi electron is shifted over here, a positive charge will be found at 4th position. To balance this pi electron will be shifted over here. So due to that, positive charge will be at 2nd position. To balance this pi electron will be shifted again here, and this electron will be shifted here. Carbon gets positive charge due to this shifting. To balance that, electron present on oxygen will be shifted over here, so double bond will be formed again. So these are all the canonical structures or resonance structures of benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. The functional group is aldehyde group, and this is a ring deactivating group. Due to this group, electron density in the benzene ring decreases, so that you can see the positive charges. Okay. Electron density reduced, it is a deactivating group, and it will direct the incoming electrophile to occupy the meta position. So it is meta directing group. So due to the delocalization of pi electrons as well as the positive charges, electron density is less at ortho and para positions. You take 2, 4 and 6. In ortho and para positions, electron density is less. That means 3 and 5 will have more electron density. So incoming electrophile will attack 3 and 5th position. So this is a meta directing group. Oxygen is more electronegative. Pi electron is shifted over oxygen. This gets positive charge. To balance it, this pi electron is shifted over here to make a pi bond. Thereby here positive charge is created. To balance this, there is a shifting of or a delocalization of pi electron. So this will make the canonical structures. Due to the canonical structures, we identify that electron density will be more at 3 and 5 positions. They are meta positions. Electron density will be less at 2, 4, 6. They are ortho and para positions. Okay. So they are meta directing groups. Example for meta directing groups or ring deactivating groups. Nitro group, cyanide group or nitrile, aldehyde group, keto group, carboxylic acid, ester and sulfonic acid. So these are all electron withdrawing groups. Okay, so this will make a minus I effect. So due to minus inductive effect, this will deactivate the benzene ring. So they are examples of deactivating groups and meta directors. Next one is toxicity and carcinogenity. So you consider the simplest aromatic hydrocarbon, benzene, as well as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons like naphthalene, then anthracene, phenanthrene. So many polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are available. So these are all benzenoid compounds. So what are the harmful effects of these aromatic hydrocarbons? They are making cancers, right? So these aromatic hydrocarbons are making harmful effects in human body. So they are highly toxic in nature. They are carcinogenic. It leads to cancer. So how we are getting these polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons? Due to the combustion of coal tar or petroleum, then wood, combustion of wood, as well as volcanic activities. So these will produce the harmful polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. They are toxic, carcinogenic, as well as mutagenic in nature. And what are all the effects? They are making all type of harmful effects like immunological, neurological and hematological effects. The main thing is they are radiomimetic. Benzene as well as polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are radiomimetic. This is a biological effect like radiation. Okay, so radiation is making harmful effects in human body. Like that, this will leads to genetic damages in human body. So what are the examples of harmful polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons? 1,3-benzpyrene, 1,3-benzanthracene, so its structure will be L-shaped. Usually L-shaped polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are highly toxic and carcinogenic in nature, and these hydrocarbons are found in the smokes, especially smoke from cigarettes and tobacco and charcoal boiled food items. So these polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are obtained. One more example, 1,2,5,6 dibenzanthracene. And this polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon is carcinogenic in nature and which is found in gasoline exhaust. So we use fuel, gasoline fuel. So in gasoline exhaust as well as barbecued foods. So you take food items like fried beef or fried fish. So it will produce these type of hydrocarbons. So it is highly harmful. It is carcinogenic in nature. So we have to reduce these pollutants. Okay, so these are all environmental pollutants. We have to reduce it. Okay, with this we complete 13th lesson, hydrocarbons over. So next we are going to study haloalkanes. Right. Thank you.